Now cry for Mom to change her diapers. Didn't forget about me, did you? We call this a difficulty tweak. Listen here, I got this drum solo I've been working on. Now go to the forums and cry like the little bitch you are. We gotta stop meeting like this, you know? I guess you're not as good as you thought. I bet you let yourself get beat up just to hear what I have to say. I expected better. I'm gonna beat the cellulites out of you. I know, I'm late. I got your DLC right here. I got your safe house right fucking here. Missed me, didn't you? Wow, that was a nice workout. I think I'll have a protein drink and hit the shower. Not as tough as they told me. Not so tough now, huh? This is the point of no return. It'd be good if you put up a better fight next time. You call this putting up a fight? You call this resisting arrest? Speak up! Can't hear you! Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Oh, that one's gonna hurt! Alright, the safe word is police brutality. This might sting a little. Try a little harder. I'm gonna turn you inside out. We gotta do this more often. You wear that shit in your pants proudly, like a badge of honor. Who's the clown now? Sometimes wishes do come true. Work smarter, not harder. You asked for it. Really. You got what was coming for you. You wanted me back, so I'm back.